Want a safer password with zero risk of leakage?
Great! Meet MiixKey, a security key with a built-in screen. It has everything other security keys have, plus features they don't. MiixKey connects via USB, NFC, and Bluetooth. It protects your accounts and all the data within them. This is a key that only you can use, ensuring exclusive access to your online accounts. It works all modern operating systems and mobile devices. You can log into all your favorite apps with it. The biggest difference between MiixKey and other security keys is screen. That means you can manage over 3,000 accounts and passwords directly on the device. No computer or phone required. Simply connect and tap to log in. Once authenticated, your devices will remain trusted by those apps. MiixKey operates completely offline with both hardware and software encryption. It can generate complex random passwords up to 64 characters long. It also supports TOTP and can simultaneously manage 5 FIDO keys, 5 OpenPGP keys, and 5 PIV smart cards, keeping your encrypted emails, files, and digital identity secure. Plus, it comes with 8 customizable NFC cards to help you manage physical access, like doors and locks. Want to learn more? Check out our campaign.